So, good morning. Good evening. So, I am Zaid Kinakan and this is my oral presentation of Biostat. So, first question is a medtech instructor claims that the average OSCE practical exam scores of her class is 85. A sample of 12 ASMT students got a mean scores of 81 with a sample standard deviation of 7 at a 0.05. Test if the actual means score is different from 85. So it's different. So first step is uh, let's identify the hypothesis. Nasabi dun is different. So meaning ang claim is null hypothesis. So ito ay equal 85. Mean is equal to 85. Ito ang claim ng instructor. And the alternative hypothesis naman is not equal to 85. So second is uh, dahil yung population is 12 lang, is gagamit tayo ng t-test or one-tailed sample. So, if may mali po yung nasa uh, presentation ko. So, the significance level is 0.05 and mula sa t-table para sa D11 is nagiging one-tailed. Then, step 3 is compute. Gagamitin natin yung uh, formula na t is equal to mean minus prime divided by uh, standard deviation divided by square root of uh, population. Then, ang makukuha natin na answer is 198. Then, step 4 is to uh, decision or decision making kung saan yung yung kwan natin is ipag-compare natin yung t, crit, and t value. So, hindi sapat ang ebidensya sa t crit and t value is makikita natin na hindi sapat ang ebidensya para i-reject ang HO or null hypothesis. Kaya ito ay accepted and rejected ang alternative. So, conclusion, so sa madaling salita, step 5, walang sapat na ebidensya para sabihin iba ang tunay na average scores mula sa 85. So, ang nasa ko natin is there is no significant difference between the sample mean and the standard and claim mean of 85. The instructor's claim is still stands. So it means na yung yung claim ng instructor is tama. And yun lang po. Next is the t-test. Z-test. So, sa z-test naman is, ang problem natin is, a clinical laboratory claims that the average hemoglobin level of healthy male donor is 15 grams per DL. A sample of 40 male donors shows a mean of 14.4 G with a known population standard deviation of 12 G per liter at a uh, 0.05. Test the mean hemoglobin level is different from 15 G. So, first step is i-identify natin yung hypothesis. So, ang claim dito is 15 kasi is different. Kaya nung kanina 15. So, equal ito, equal. Then, H1 is alternative. Ang alternative naman is not equal. So, ibig sabihin, baka mas mataas or mas mababa. So, the second step is select the test. Dahil alam natin ang population standard deviation is 1.2 at medyo malaki ang sample which is 40. So, gagamit tayo ng z-test. And test kasi not equal. So, critical value ng z value ay 4 0.05 is positive negative 1.96. So, step 3, compute tayo. Z is equal to 14.4 minus 5 over 1.2 divided by uh, square root of 40, which is ang lalabas is negative 3.6. So, sa decision making naman tayo, which is sa step 4. So, na-compute natin na ang Z is equals to Z value is equal to negative 3.16, and the critical Z or Z crit is positive negative 1.96. So since negative zero point 3 is uh, less than sa less than 1 negative 196 is pasok siya sa rejection region. So ang null hypothesis natin is rejected and accepted ang alternative hypothesis natin. So conclusion is based sa computation na lumabas na yung z value na negative 3.16 ay mas malayo pa sa critical value na negative 196, meaning significant yung difference nila. So ang conclusion natin is there is a significant difference in hemoglobin level. The sample suggests that true mean hemoglobin is lower than 15 grams per liter. Yun lang po.